Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna unbox freeup app package. Friends, if you don't know about freeup app, a freeup app is similar to the OLX app where you can buy or sell your products which is not essential for you. For example, you can sell your fashion or beauty products or kitchen products or any. Here in the freeup app, you'll get used products and unused product also, which is entirely new one, and you'll get in low price also. You can buy via cash or you can even buy via points. If you want to try this app, what you can do is you can install the freeup app and you can also use my referral code which is on the screen. So guys, I bought this entirely new product from the freeup app and the package is good here. Once you install the app and after signing itself, you'll get almost 700 to 800 points for free, and you can purchase any of the product over there which is new and old also. You can select over there and just you need to pay a delivery charge. Delivery charge will be of 40 to 70 depends on your distance. And here is the product which I got from the freeup app, and it is in good condition. Well, the packaging was also good. So many of them asked me to unbox the freeup package, so here it is. This is an automatic sensor bed lamp which will on only in the dark and which will remain off in the light. And thanks for watching guys.